Free Zim Congress Party leader Joseph Makamba Busha has said Zimbabwe's deepening economic woes can only be resolved through a complete change of government leadership, accusing the ruling ZANU-PF party of entrenching corruption and mismanagement. Sanapita mashoko anobudanyogwa panapa achinyogwamo nawo 24 vachiti Mnangagwa removal is the only solution to the current crisis in Zimbabwe. Don't subscribe or like on the bell icon. Busha anobuda pamberi nawo pangwa idanyora achiti in a statement released this week. Busha, who contested the presidential elections in 2018 and 2023, warned Zimbabweans against being co-opted into the ruling party, which he blames for the country's enduring economic crisis. The levels of co-option, collusion, and corruption are so deeply entrenched in the system of the country, Busha said. He expressed frustration over the current state of affairs, pointing to rampant corruption, poor governance, and mismanagement as the key drivers behind Zimbabwe's economic stagnation. The country continues to face high inflation, widespread unemployment, a shrinking manufacturing sector, and a deteriorating standard of living for ordinary citizens. Busha argued that these challenges are rooted in systemic failure, adding that only a wholesale change in leadership would create the conditions necessary for meaningful economic recovery. However, he offered a measure of hope, encouraging Zimbabweans to look towards the 2028 elections as an opportunity to effect democratic change. The time is now. We are organizing and hoping to have the numbers to remove ZANU-PF in 2028, Busha said. He urged citizens to take the upcoming electoral process seriously, describing it as a crucial moment to reject corruption and embrace leaders committed to advancing the welfare of the nation. Busha's message echoes growing frustration among Zimbabweans and opposition groups. We have long accused the government of prioritizing political survival over public service delivery and economic development. As the country edges closer to another electoral cycle, Busha's rallying cry adds to the growing discourse about the need for new leadership and a fresh approach to solving Zimbabwe's long-standing economic problems. President Mnangagwa is running the country with his private gang of state looters. Mnangagwa created parallel ZANU-PF structures to avoid scrutiny and accountability from the southern mirror. Tuze mafunguro emo tukudi pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Pinako message yemedu, subscribe or like, chipamba bell icon.